Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Gaura Govinda Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharini निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवतं सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठिकी वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यो एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री गुरुदेव, जय श्री प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा। So Bhagavad Gita, last class, the topic we discussed. Anything you want to remind? Where we stopped? Bolo? Anyone of you? Anyone? Huh? In the last class, you have mentioned about two types of sacrifices. One is direct process and another is indirect process. Yes, very good.
Indirect process is sacrifice offered to demigods. That is the indirect process. And in the direct process, that is a devotion to Supreme Lord or sacrifice to Supreme Lord.
Which is indirect process?
Sacrifice to demigods.
Yeah. Direct process?
Sacrifice to Supreme Lord.
Yeah. So, work in devotion. Why it is? Why indirect system is given? Anyone? Any comments? Why direct system is not given directly? Lord is the Supreme Lord, Krishna is Supreme Lord. It could have been given to the people as the injunction. Do it. Supreme Lord. Just dedicate your work, Supreme Lord. Why there is an indirect system?
Because they follow indirect system, they don't develop themselves.
Can't they develop directly? What's the wrong in giving direct? Lord is all powerful. Lord's name is also all powerful. It could be given directly. Why there is a indirect process? Even in Bolo, any comments? We are all intelligent boys, huh? You are not. We are all BTech, MTech students. Why not you should be able to comment? I can't say you don't have brain. You have very good brain, very fertile brain to solve mathematical complexes. Right? Unless you are strong in mathematics, you cannot be a BTech student. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Now government is planning to teach you BTech, MTech in all your local language, not English language. But government cannot change mathematics. Mathematics is different. You can't change it. It's a system. Mathematics is a system. So, what is the indirect process? Why Lord has given in Bhagavad Gita indirect process? Where Krishna gives direct process, Prabhupada gives direct process. Krishna and the Supreme Lord gives indirect process. Why?
It is allowed.
Anyone of you? Yes?
Prabhupada knows Krishna's heart.
Prabhupada knows?
Krishna's heart.
Okay, good. Good answer, but how you convince general public? But suppose this question is asked, now I am asking you to give the answer. Suppose this question is asked by a general man from your audience. So why there is an indirect process? Why not giving direct process? Just surrender to the Lord and chant holy name, then go. Why there is a step-by-step process? Why?
You cannot directly accept Krishna.
Yes, that is the question. That is important question. That is important. Why they can't accept Krishna directly? Huh? Yes? And think they are enemies of Krishna. They cannot accept Krishna. Why? What is the real answer? What is scientific answer? Why they can't accept Krishna directly?
They don't know the value.
You want to enjoy music.
Okay. You should think. After giving class, when you hear class, then after that you should think, meditate. Why there is two? Why indirect and direct? Why? Why? You could ask this question. Why indirect? Because this material world is a manifestation of three modes of material nature. Three modes of material nature. Some people are established in Sattva-gun. Some are not exactly Sattva-gun, but mixed one. Exactly Shuddha Sattva is not available in this material world, in Sattva-gun. Then Rajogun, Tamogun, mode of passion, mode of ignorance. So how can you, right? Just when we were coming, two persons going by bike, like hero, right? So can you stop them and say, read Bhagavad Gita? Rather they will accept, they will learn something. You give lusty things. Give them something lusty. Drink wine, take chicken, then they will be happy. Or something, if not that even according to rules even, they want something they can enjoy. They want to enjoy. They are not having the mindset of sacrifice. It's direct process. Because millions are having this mindset that we will enjoy. And this world to enjoy, this body is to enjoy, And because due to ignorance, they think this body is mine, me, I am. This body, I am. I am, I am. I have a mouth, so I can eat everything. So I can, I have a, what? Paycheck. I can pass. No, they pass it very happily. They don't feel any bad. No shame. They eat also no shame. They do sex also no shame. In Odisha, everybody you go in Shekamrakan and all some evening time, you'll find no shame. Right? There's no shame. The thing, I am this body. A dog thinks I am a dog. Right? I am a dog. There is an ego, I am a dog. Right? Then he roams about the beach. Wherever his beach is available, on the road, on the street, on your, wherever, in your home or wherever. Simply rounds about up to the beach. Because I am a dog. I see a dog. He rounds out. Because he has the ego. Similarly, human being, he thinks, I am a person, I will enjoy all the objects of my enjoyment. Right? This is the disease. The entire universe, maybe little degree may vary, but everyone, we are all, every one of us. Now we are coming to Krishna consciousness. Gradually we understand that has to be given up. That mindset has to be given up. But we were in a few days back, we were having the same mindset. One minute. Upendra Prabhu? Kuh. जन्माष्टमी कथा कहबे राति उपवास glorification of Prabhupada, glorification of me. I'll go there, it will be okay, in the class of children. Upon phone of work. Celebration by preparation puja. Palina. अच्छा, तुम्हारा आज मीटिंग है जन्माष्टमी से कलेक्शन पाइल किसी तो कलेक्शन है ठीक अच्छे मोर कहले 10 दिन तला आगु कही था तो जहाँ भी समय मिला मैनेज करागला से आउरी समय थी आउरी था कटक दिया समय मिलानी देखा रथयात्रा नेक्स्ट केतवे कौन जोड़ा करवा ओके प्रभु आपण जन्माष्टमी रे कृष्णकर कथा कहबे कहवा कहवा सुनिया पिला थिले हला सब तो डुलाउथिबे पेट खाली डुलाउथिबे मोर कहे स्टाइलटा अलग मु कही जाएनी रेकर्ड भाया कही जाए मोर ऑडियंस दरकार ऑडियंस शुणुवे कहते Anyway, so our flow break ହେଇଗଲା. କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲି? ସମ୍ବିତ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲି? Yes, yes. That is our disease. Our disease. I am the enjoyer. Yes, no? Say it like it. That is why, because I am enjoyer means Krishna is the enjoyer really. Actually, truly, it's a fact. It's a fact, truth. That Krishna is the Supreme Lord. It's a fact. You understand, you don't understand. Someone understands, someone does not. It doesn't make any difference. Kiho mane, kiho na mane. Savaitar bhrutya. If I say, oh Lord, hey Bhagavan, hey Khuda, oh Allah, all leads to Krishna. The moment we understand that, then all our doubts are over. Right? So that is why this world is full of ignorance. That is a lot of fighting in the name of religion, a lot of fighting in the name of sects, caste, creed. All are going on. But when you become a Vaishnava, then no fighting. Right? No fighting. Because we understand the science that I am suffering from one disease, that is why I have got this material body. I have been given this material body. Why? Because I wanted to enjoy. Try to understand this concept. I wanted to enjoy. So how you can enjoy? Because Krishna is the enjoyer. How you can enjoy? Unless you forget Krishna. Unless you forget Krishna, how you can enjoy? Suppose you are a chaprasi of a office. This is, I want to enjoy as a managing director of this company. But originally he is a chaprasi. But he wants to enjoy. Just like managing director, as he is enjoying, I want to enjoy. How? Anyhow, he must forget that managing director. Then he will think that I am the managing director. The more, if he has the consciousness, there is a managing director, he cannot, he be afraid. Fool. Oh, there is a managing director. Once he forgets that, that means he becomes mad. He forgets that, then he can enjoy. Just like you take some wine, you forget everything. I am Indra. Or something like that. You become mad. Srila Prabhupada says those who don't accept Krishna as the Supreme, they are either insane, mad. Similarly. So this way, indirect process is necessary because three modes are there. People are having embodied these bodies. Someone is dominated with Sattva Gun, so he needs little more higher science of spiritual science. Someone is in having passion, so he needs different types of spiritual science. From that platform, how he'll go up. Someone in mode of ignorance, from that platform, how he'll go on. But Veda wants you should go on. You go up. But in which platform you are, from that platform you have to develop. If you will be given direct some higher platform, you will be baffled. You will be disturbed. You cannot enjoy. We cannot do. Understand? This is practical. You can't ask a beggar who is having beggar and go become the Prime Minister of India. What will do? Understand my point? Someone may say, any kind, you can do everything. Can you do everything? Just you can see sometime some slogan. You can do everything. Okay? You can do everything. Right? Can you do? Really? I can do. You can do everything. Can you do really? You ask, can you do really? You can do? You can do everything. Okay, jump from the floor. Down. Free step. Jump. Like a superhuman. Jump. Let us see. Right? Then you can do everything. Man can do everything. What type of sloka is there? What type of slogan is there? Understand? You can try. You can do something and offer your prayer to the Lord. Try your best. You may get success. Right? You may try. You give your best. You want to be an engineer, you do a doctor, whatever. You give your best and offer your prayer. Give your best. Result will come. Lord is there. He will give you result. Right? This is the practical philosophy. Are you understanding or not? This is truth. You cannot. Try to understand. You cannot. You cannot be. You means I'm not meaning you. No one can. Right? Why Narendra Modi is not going to stopping the Taliban? Go, stop it. You cannot do anything. Will they accept? No, there will be peace all over the world from today, right? Everyone should chant Hare Krishna. Everyone should chant Hare Krishna. Is it possible? Why? Why? It's not. It's not bad. It's Hare Krishna Mahamantra. All you should chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and embrace each other. No fighting, nothing. Simple. Everyone love and love. That's all. Possible? Then human can do everything. Do it. Do it. So you should be very heavy on that. I am not giving the names. Whoever says that, immediately catch him. Catch him. I said it. Do it. Human do can everything. That is tool. Dog's tool. Eat it. Let me see how human can do everything. No, you can't do. Even if you give a big bowl of rice, eat it. You can't do it. It's just foolishness. So and so Nanda says, you can do everything. Hare Baba. You can't do nothing. You can do nothing. That may be acceptable. Understand? You are eating only. Why? Because you could pass stool. That is why. Simple. You are drinking because you are able to pass urine. That is why you are drinking. If urine stops, then you can't even pass. You can't drink even. You will see afraid of water. Oh, this is dangerous for me. So my point is that this world is like that. That is why Veda gives you very what? Step by step process. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Then gradually, from your own platform, you ultimately reach the destination. That is why Veda have different platforms. Many Vedic literatures. You may ask, someone ask me, why so many Vedic literatures? Because there are so many types of people. Many types of people means many types of people are having different consciousness according to the mode they have acquired from the material nature. Someone is passionate, someone is ignorant, someone is in Sattva-gun, someone is mixed Sattva-gun and Rajagun, Rajagun and Tamagun and Sattva-gun, so mixed. Sometimes you find very nicely talking, next time he is drinking. Once he is speaking very nice lecture, giving on life, next we are going for a smoking. It's combination. Very intellectual lecture at the same time smoking. Both things are there. Unless he is intelligent, he cannot give a lecture on universal happiness. Something like that. He may not speak about Krishna consciousness. He may give lecture on some topic. There are so many important topics. At the same time, he is addicted to smoking or anything else. So this ignorance and this is united. So this way you can find 84 lakhs or 80 lakhs of human beings, not out of the body, kinds of body. It's only consciousness. Different types of people having consciousness. Understand? Okay. That is why Veda has different instruction to different. Srila Prabhupada gives the instruction that doctor gives different medicines to different patients. You suppose you are suffering from something, influenza, something, you go to the doctor will give you some medicines. The same another day, other person will go, say this and that, he will give another medicine because he sees your disease. Accordingly, he prescribes medicine. Right? It's a small example. Similarly, Veda has this indirect process is a must. But provided this Varnasam system, try to understand, Varnasam system is there. But Varnasam system can only be followed. You say Varnasam system means what? 4 Varna, 4 Ashrama. 4 Varnas, what are they? Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Okay? Brahmana, what are the qualities of Brahmana? One quality, tell me. Huh? One? Cleanness. Okay. Brahmana, one quality of Brahmana is cleanness. Okay. How many Brahmanas are clean nowadays? So-called Brahmanas or anyone? Any so-called Brahmana, titled Brahmana? Go their home, see the cleanness. Maybe home is very clean, but there is mutton being cooked. Home is very clean, very neat and clean. From the very morning you go, everything chaka-chak. But kitchen में क्या हो रहा है? हाँ? मटन लग रहा है और चिकन लग रहा है, हाँ? और कोई बोला तो घोष हो रहा है, घोष चल रहा है, हाँ? काउ मीट दिस वे और चिकन चल रहा है, हाँ? और कुछ नहीं तो सुकवा चल रहा है, हाँ? So my point is that what is cleanness? So there is not a single Brahman, practically saying. Similarly, what is a Kshatriya? What is one of the qualities of Kshatriya? Tell me. Anyone? Huh? Bolo? Yeah? Yeah, leadership. Leadership. Huh? Leadership means what? How we explain it? Tell me. How we explain leadership? In Vedic context. Leadership. Bolo? What is leadership in? According to Vedic philosophy, what is leadership? You see, Duryodhana is fighting. Where from? From the palace or on the battlefield? Why? He is the king. He can order, go and fight, win the war for me. I am to enjoy. So many beautiful girls are there, let me enjoy, I am the king. He can order, pass an order. Why is in the battlefield? Huh? He is the battlefield. He could have given an order, he is the prince. Right? He could have given the order, go and fight. Win the kingdom for me. Right? I will enjoy today. Or 18 days I will enjoy. Why? He is in the battlefield front. Why? He is a Kshatriya. He wants to fight by his own hand. I want to defeat myself, Bhimsen. I want to fight with him. I want to show that I am stronger than you. This is leadership. Practically, this is leadership. Practically, yes, I am in the front. Like Srila Prabhupada, I am in the front. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am in the front. Come on. I am in the front. चलो हम पीछे हैं, चलो आगे चलो हम पीछे हैं. कौन लगा? तुम आगे चलो हम पीछे हैं तुम्हारा बैकअप करने के लिए. He's not a leader. कोई लीडर अगर बोलेगा तुम आगे चलो पीछे हूँ, He's not a leader. लीडर मीन्स आगे चलो. चलो मैं जा रहा हूँ, आओ मेरे पीछे आ रहा हूँ. मेरे पीछे पीछे आओ मैं चल रहा हूँ. Right? That is called leadership. That is called Kshatriya Guna. Right? And another Kshatriya Guna, he doesn't accept subordinates. He says, no, I will not accept anyone's leadership. I am the leader, you have to follow me. That is leadership. You have to follow me what I say. Right? I am the leader. Do or I'll kill you. This is leadership. Right? Yeah, this is Vedic philosophy. Leader means always in commanding order. It doesn't accept anyone's authority. Right? Yeah. This is called leadership. He only accepts the Lord. The king only accepts Supreme Lord, no one else. And Brahmanas, qualified Brahmanas. They are dedicated to the Supreme Lord. In Vedic philosophy, I am telling you. So this way my point is, who is a Kshatriya now? Who is Kshatriya now? They are sitting in the big palace and sending all the troops to go and fight. President of India is the supreme commander of Indian armed forces. But where is he sitting? Huh? In the Rashtrapati Bhavan, ye Shiro mein aaram se so raha hai. But who is fighting? But he is the supreme commander of the army. He is the supreme commander of Indian army, but he is simply enjoying in his palace. Right? But this is not Vedic philosophy. Vedic means on the field. Right? Yeah. You may argue, someone may argue, that nowadays warfare has changed and the king should not be in the front, he may be killed. So many arguments are there, okay. But the argument is that a leader should be in front. He may not be visible to everyone, enemies. He may not be visible to enemies, but he should be always in leading position. Right. So my point is that वर्णाश्रम system के लिए ये तो चाहिए ना, क्षत्रिय तो चाहिए ना. क्षत्रिय नहीं होंगे तो वर्णा सिस्टम कैसे होगा? ब्राह्मण नहीं होगा तो how you have to establish वर्णाश्रम system? Similarly, Vaishyas and Sudras. So Varnashram system is not possible. Varnashram system is not possible nowadays in the present society. It is impossible. It is already broken. Almost all people has become Sudras. Even less than Sudras, dog eaters. Less than Sudras. Sudras have principles, some things they have. They are qualified, they are civilized, because they are one of the four ashramas. But nowadays you don't find a Sudra even. Most of them are all flesh eaters and wine drinkers. So this way, one of the qualifications of Sudra is very submissive to higher classes. Brahmanas, Kshatriya is very submissive. But why is Sudra? Every Sudra is very proud now. So Varnashram system is not possible. Okay, clear? So when Varnashram is not possible, then why Lord is saying that in Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita? Why Lord is explaining Chatur Varna Maya system, Guna Karma Vivagasa? Because Lord is explaining to you so that you know the science. You know the philosophy. Right. You know the philosophy of Bhagavat Dharma. You should be knowing. It's not that suppose you are learning mathematics. It's not that always all the formulas you have to use. But you have to know all the principles, all the equations. Then you go up. When you are in top position, you don't need of using all the equal. But you are aware about all the principles, all the equations, all the whatever. Then only you are in top. Right. Similarly, you have to know. You have to have good knowledge. What is Varnashram system? That is why Srila Prabhupada, when ISKCON was founded, he saw that all the devotees are developing good qualities. Then only he desired that establish Varnashram Dharma inside ISKCON, in the ISKCON society. ISKCON is a society. ISKCON is not a club, or ISKCON is not a matha. ISKCON is not a mandir. ISKCON is a society. You can be a member of ISKCON by simply staying at home even. Just follow for regular principles and chant the holy name and conduct your spiritual life at home. That's, you are all following ISKCON. You may not be ISKCON member, life member, or nothing like that. You may be taken. May have taken initiation from some devotee of ISKCON. That's all, finished. You may not have any interact with ISKCON devotees, but you are ISKCON because you are following ISKCON principles. That means Bhakti Yoga. You are following. Understand? So this way, Varnashram system can only be introduced when people are having qualities, but which is thus not found nowadays in the society. So it's not possible. Right? But why Lord is explaining Bhagavad Gita? Because it's a matter of principle. So once you know the Varnashram system, then you know the Vedic system, Vedic philosophy, because this is the actually civilized state. Civilization begins from Varnashram system. When someone comes through Varnashram system, then gradually he is purified, then finally he comes to the highest platform. It takes life after life, but process begins. The purification process begins. A Sudra becomes directly, it may be a Brahman, a Sudra may come to Vaishya, Kshatriya, Brahman, or Kshatriya can direct to a Brahman, or Sudra can be direct to a Brahman. Even Brahman can be a Sudra according to his activity. A Brahman, if he adopts Sudra activities, he will come down to Sudra category. A Sudra takes up all Brahminical qualities, he also comes to become a Brahmin. He can be. By birth, everyone is Sudra. By birth, no one is Brahmin. Someone may have taken birth in a Brahmin family, but from the very beginning, if he is given not proper training, he will just remain a Shudra. Right? So this way, are you getting it or not? These are very important points. Very important points to understand Vedic philosophy. Then only you can understand Bhagavad Gita. So this way, Varnashram system, Lord is advocating just to know you. So in Varnashram system, then you come to understand that there is two ways of sacrifices. One is direct sacrifices, another is indirect sacrifice. Indirect sacrifices, Varnashram system. Varnashram system is called indirect sacrifices. In Varnashram system, all the demigods are introduced. Because Lord says demigods are there to guide you. They are to give you, fulfill all your desires, provided you perform all the basic yajnas. Okay? So that is why that sloka is there. Read out any sloka in this regard. You can find out. Any sloka? Tell me what speaks about. Jagyartha karma. Jagyarthat karmanyatra lokayam 3:9. Okay, you should tell me I'm explaining so much. Means what? Karma, Jagyartha karma. Okay. Jagyartha? Bolo. Loudly. What you understand? What you are understanding?
Whatever sacrifice we are doing, it should be offered to the Krishna.
Yes, Jagyartha. Yajñarthe karma. Yajñarthe karma can be interpreted in two ways. Direct and indirect. Put your mind into it. Yajñarthe means there are two. The direct is always cannot be introduced. Had it been possible, then it is very quite easy, but it's not possible. That is why indirect, direct, both are. Yajñartha means two. You may perform yajna for Nanda Maharaj was performing yajna for whom? For a demigod. But Krishna stopped it. So this way, all the people, they do yajna in varnasanas for the demigods. That is yajna. But the same thing you can do for the Lord. Again, the same yajna. Both are karma yoga. This is karma yoga, that is also karma yoga. Because you are doing karma for yajna. That is an indirect process, step by step. This is direct process. Okay. So this way you come to understand Annat Bhavanti Bhutani. Then Lord says that this Anna, eatables, comes from rain. Rain comes from yajna. And in yajna, all activities are to be performed according to yajna. That is why yajna, Lord is established in yajna. Understand? This you should say. When I ask what we discussed in previous class, this should have been your answer. The Lord is established in yajna. Why? Because yajnas are coming from, yajnas means actions. Yajnas means simple language, actions. Yajnas means performances. These are all coming from the Lord. So when we all operate the yajnas or perform the yajnas, that means Lord is established through yajnas. Okay. Then that is when we perform yajnas, then the demigods, they are all devotees of the Lord, they are satisfied. They give you rain. You can do directly. If you, that is also yajna, you will get your desired results. If you only worship Krishna, also demigods has to give. Otherwise they will be punished. Krishna punished Indra. Right? So you can go indirectly. Krishna will not be angry. If you go indirectly, okay, that is also given in the Shastra. That is why you are going indirectly. You will get the result. But when you discard everyone and go direct to Krishna, also that all the demigods, if you chant the holy name, sun is not going to give you rain. If you chant the holy name, there will be no wind for you. It's there. Everything is there. Rather, it is direct process. But in indirect process, in varnasana system, you forget Krishna. You are dedicated to demigods. There may be some differences. You say, I am dedicated to Durga. He says, I am dedicated to Ganesh. I am dedicated to... So there may be fight. That is also ignorance. There may be some differences. But when you become a Vaishnava, there is no difference. Because consciousness is one. Krishna consciousness. That is when Vedic system, Vedic philosophy, Hindu society, there are a lot of fightings also. Lot of fightings. You will find in history, many Sakta kings, they killed Vaishnavas. They were devotees of Lord Shiva. That is why they killed the devotees of Lord Vishnu. They broke also temples. Just like Muslims. They kill Vaishnavas, Brahmanas, kill. If you don't worship Shivaji, then you will be killed. Just like Muslims. They are great enemies. That is why Sanatana Dharma, in Varnasana, there is also danger. But that is why Krishna consciousness is important. That is why many people from different sects, they say, Hindu Dharma is full of divisions. Full of division, full of casteism, full of differences, full of so many gods. Why I should worship 33 crores demigods? Why not one God? Why 33 crores gods? Right? And yes, that's true. They are true. Their argument is correct. But they fail to understand, no. This is not Hinduism. In Sanatana Dharma, there is always one God. That is why Krishna says, Nanda Maharaj, no, don't worship Indra. Indra has to do his duty. You don't have to go and satisfy the collector. Something like that. You don't have to satisfy Indra, Ganesh, all that. Simply chant the holy name, Ganesh has to come. Saraswati has to come. Lakshmi has to come. They will come and knock your door. Sambit, I am here. Sambit, I am here. Please take some money from me. Who will say? Lakshmi. Sambit, come on. Take from learning from me. Who will say? Ganesh. All will come and knock your door. It is in Shastra. I am not speculating. All in Shastra. They will knock. Come on, come on. Take it, take it. Okay? That is why Krishna consciousness is called supreme consciousness. Supreme. Krishna is the supreme. And everyone comes from Krishna. Everyone is emanating from Krishna. When you chant the Hare Krishna, that is called you are chanting the supreme mantra, Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare, Hare Ram. Supreme. Practically you can do nothing. Simply chant the holy name. You can do nothing. Kichi kariya karna. No B.Tech, no M.Tech, nothing. No job, nothing. Simply chant the holy name. You see, food will come. I am giving you guarantee. How it will come, I don't know. I will not say. Food will come, shelter will come, clothing will come, everything will come to you. Money will come, Maikina will come, everything will come to you. Everything you will get. Everything you will get. Everything you will get. I am promising you, everything. Everything will come and knock at your door. Simple you have to sin. Simply have to sit down and chant the holy name and fully dedicate to the Lord. Dinne kibas kichhi mor nai mu kichhi bujhibar nai dinno rati kichhi bujhe kebala mu harinam karibar achi prabhunga naam namar achi. That's all finished. The demigods will be what? Orid. Orid. हमको जाना है अभी, देना है उसको. ये तो मेरा नौकरी चला जाएगा. मुझे देना है उसको, खाना, पीना, सोना, सब कुछ देना है उसको. Right? Because he is chanting the holy name of he is chanting the holy name of all same. एक अंडे की बच्चे. Simply yes. You will say Krishna. Only answer is Krishna. He is chanting the holy name of Krishna. Because Krishna is supreme in every respect. Every respect Krishna is supreme. Then this is Bhakti Yoga. This is Jagyarthe Karma. Jagyarthe Karma. For Jagya, I'll eat. For Jagya, I'll marry. For Jagya, I'll smell. For Jagya, I'll see. For Jagya, I'll hear. For Jagya, I'll walk. For Jagya, I'll eat. For Jagya, everything. That is called Jagya, action. Okay? Clear? I'm every time making it clear. You are saying yes. When I'm asking, again you are afraid. Why? When I say, all you say Supreme Personality of Godhead. Again I am asking, why? Again I am asking, I am continuing, means you must understand, oh, there is something wrong. भगवान, you chant the holy name भगवान. कोई बोलता है ठीक है हम कर रहा हूँ, क्या मैं साईं बाबा कर रहा हूँ, भगवान है साईं बाबा. आपका भगवान का नाम भजन कर ना कर रहा हूँ, ओम भोलेनाथ कर रहा हूँ. अब भगवान के नाम कर, ओम गणेशाय नमः कर रहा हूँ सुबह. अब भगवान का नाम ले लो ना, हाँ ले रहा हूँ ना, किसका ले रहा, समझे ना. मैं अपनी भगवान के नाम ले रहा हूं, तुम तुम्हारा भगवान के नाम ले लो. तुम तुम्हारा भगवान के नाम लो, मैं अपने भगवान के नाम लो. राइट? क्यों फाइट करें? ठीक है, मैं कुत्ता ले आऊंगा एक तो, कुत्ता बेक क्या कहते हैं, गला में एक फूल माला डाल दूंगा. हाँ राइट, बैठा के स्नैप फोटो उठा के उसको एनलार्ज करके तुम्हारा कान पे लगा दूंगा. ओके, ये है क्या, कुत्ता देवता. जो चाहोगे वही मिलेगा. वो चला गया, मुंडिया मार दिया, उसी दिन उसका बैंक में फाइनेंस हो गया उसका, क्या एक तो ट्रक सैंक्शन हो गया, लोन. ओहो, कुत्ता देव दे दिया. ये कुत्ता देव हमको दे दिया बैंक से लोन. वाह, समझे ना व्हाट आई मीन. हाँ, उस दिन से अरे तुमको ट्रक कौन दे रहा, कुत्ता देवता. वो जाके अरे बाबा तुमको ट्रक चाहिए क्या, कुत्ता देवता मंदिर जाओ. ऐसे ऐसे कानों कानों चलता है. चलो भाई चलो देखता, देन यू सी वीडियो, लाइन. अंडरस्टैंड? डोंट से दैट, डोंट से भगवान. से डायरेक्टली कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा, ओ हरे सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी गॉडेड, हरे सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी गॉडेड. हरे भगवान 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 हरे हरे. व्हाई नॉट? हरे जगन्नाथ 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 हरे हरे. व्हाई नॉट? टेल मी, आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हाई नॉट? नो, हरे कृष्णा. व्हाई कृष्णा? Janmashtami is coming. Krishna means you should know clearly. Krishna is the supreme, not Lord. Supreme in every respect. He is a supreme thief, supreme docket, supreme hero. Supreme in every respect. He is the supreme. Understand? Yeah. He can create millions of Indradev. Millions and crores. Lakshmis will Sahasra Sattvi Lakshmi Sebhyamanam. Koti Lakshmi Anei Vaschandi Prabhu Kara Sebha Kariya Pai Keval. Tu konta Seva Kariyu? It is Satra. Lord, you are discussing about the Lord. Right? And those persons are in Varnashram, they can accept it. Their mind is full of lust, anger, greed. They are down with the earth. How can you give them directly? Understand? That is why two methods. One is indirect, another is direct. Clear? So if I ask you why direct, why indirect, you should be able to answer it. Okay? Carelessly you should answer. Why indirect? So let us go to sloka number 17. Pada?
But for one who takes pleasure in the self, whose human life is one of self-realization, and who is satisfied in the self only, fully located, for him there is no duty.
Yeah. So previous sloka 16, padho.
My dear Arjuna, one who does not follow in human life the cycle of sacrifice, thus established by the Vedas, certainly leads a life full of sin.
Yeah.
living only for the satisfaction of senses,
Yeah.
such a person lives in vain.
Okay, speak something on that. Speak something on that sloka, on that translation of what you read.
ये मैंने either demigods को sacrifice ना करियो कि भगवान को sacrifice ना करियो तर activities को मैंने results को যদি भगवान को otherwise that results are do reaction हुए ताकि लगे तो सीधा ताकि
Read again, translation.
my dear Arjuna, one who does not follow in human life the cycle of sacrifice.
Okay, 1 minute. My dear Arjuna means कौन? He Arjuna. ए मो प्रिय अर्जुन. तारे
One who does not
one who does not means
give
जे करे ना कौन
follow
फलो माने ओम प्रिय अर्जुन यू तुम मन तू मन रख ओ प्रिय अर्जुन मो प्रिय अर्जुन जी फलो करे नहीं नहीं तू एटा कहबो तू कौन कहबो ए प्रिय अर्जुन तू कौन कहबो जी फलो जे मो कथा माने नहीं नेक्स्ट कौन
in the human life the cycle of sacrifice.
इन द ह्यूमन लाइफ
The cycle of sacrifice.
कौन एटा माने in the human life the cycle of sacrifice means yeah human life is sacrifice कौन sacrifice well केमिति ମୁଁ ତ ବହୁତ ଥର କହିଛି ନା ଜଣେ ଚାଷୀଟେ ଦେଖୁଛି ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ କିରଣ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ବାୟୁ ପବନ ହେଉଛି ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଛି ତାହେଲେ ମୋ କ୍ଷେତଟା so sacrifice so when he gets that grain ଛାଡ଼ ଖାଇ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଏ କ'ଣ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଅଛି ଆମର ସମ୍ବଲପୁରରେ ନୂଆଖାଇ କ'ଣ ତାମାନେ ସେଠି sacrifice get the grain from the field and offer it to the goddesses Sambaleshwari. This is a Varnashram system. You offer, suppose you are a Vaishnava, you bring it and prepare nice food, offer to the Lord. That is sacrifice. But someone may give it to Sambaleshwari. Understand? Thus both are sacrifice. If you don't do that, okay, what you said? What is your point?
जे फॉलो करे वन हु फॉलो करे
ना जे मो कथा मानेनी हमको सीधा यही पर कथा मु जो एक्जाक्टली से कुछ कह तुम्हें कह हे प्रिय अर्जुन
जे मो कथा मानेनी
बस ओके एट रहा तुम कह जे सैक्रिफाइस करेनी 1 मिनट बोलो तुम बोलो
जे मो कथा मानेनी
ये sacrifice करेंगे.
ओके नेक्स्ट पढ़ो सही पढ़े पढ़े
The system is by the Vedas
Hmm?
leads a life full of sin.
हाँ ओके सर्टनली लीड्स ए लाइफ ऑफ सिन ओके से पापर जीवन बिताए बोलो
जे मो कथा मानेनी
ये sacrifice करेंगे. तुम्हारा पाप वाला जीवन है.
ओके नेक्स्ट आउट बिटेवा
जे मो कथा मानेनी
ये sacrifice करेंगे. तुम्हारा पाप वाला जीवन है.
आउट रे
जे मो कथा मानेनी
ये sacrifice करेंगे. तुम्हारा पाप वाला जीवन है.
क्लियर है क्लियर आउट रे करो
जे मो कथा मानेनी
ये sacrifice करेंगे. तुम्हारा पाप वाला जीवन है.
क्लियर जे श्लोक हूँ हे प्रिय अर्जुन जे मो कथा माने
ये sacrifice
जे सैक्रिफाइस करेनी से पापर जीवन बिताए ओके तापर पढ़ो
Living only
नहीं लेट हिम पढ़ो नेक्स्ट
living only for the satisfaction of the senses.
ओके से कहीं निजर इंद्रिय पाई बंचे निजर इंद्रिय सुख पाई बंचे ओके कौन
क्रिया सुख पाई बंचे.
ओके बोलो
हे प्रिय अर्जुन
जे मोर कथा मानेनी
ये sacrifice करेंगे. तुम्हारा पाप वाला जीवन है.
तो निज इंद्रिय सुख पाई बंचे.
क्लियर नेक्स्ट पढ़ो तापर सरी लगी सरी लगी श्लोकटा देन पढ़ो
Such a person lives in vain.
ओके तार जीवन वृथा तार जीवन
ବୃଥା
वृथा
हे प्रिय अर्जुन
ଯିଏ ମୋର କଥା ମାନେନି
ଯିଏ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରେନି ସେ କେବଳ ପାପର ଜୀବନ ବିତାଏ।
ଯିଏ କେବଳ ନିଜ ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସୁଖ ପାଇଁ ବଞ୍ଚେ
क्लियर क्लियर हो ना नहीं अगेन
हे प्रिय अर्जुन
ଯିଏ ମୋର କଥା ମାନେନି
ଯିଏ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରେ ସେ କେବଳ ପାପର ଜୀବନ ବିତାଏ।
ଯିଏ କେବଳ ନିଜ ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସୁଖ ପାଇଁ ବଞ୍ଚେ
नेक्स्ट सही सीखल सही ट्रांसलेशन सरी लगी ओके क्लियर श्लोक इज क्लियर हाँ ओके नेक्स्ट सो हियर दैट इज 16 3:16 नेक्स्ट लॉर्ड व्हाट लॉर्ड इज सेइंग 17 बट किंतु फॉर वन हु टेक्स प्लेजर आम प्रथम श्लोकटा कौन कि
ଯିଏ ମୋର କଥା ମାନେନି
से कौच रिपीट तो हस कि जहाँ कर कि रिपीट माइंड भीतर नियो सब को तुम हसी पार लाभ सब कर यू आर अलाउड बट यू हैव टू टेक इनटू योर ब्रेन
हे प्रिय अर्जुन
ଯିଏ ମୋର କଥା ମାନେନି
ଯିଏ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରେନି ସେ କେବଳ ପାପର ଜୀବନ ବିତାଏ।
ଯିଏ କେବଳ ତାର ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସୁଖ ପାଇଁ ନିଜ ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସୁଖ
भूलीगल बीड़ी माड़ खाइब मु बारंबार कहूँ यू डोंट नो मु बाड़ाए क्लास रे पिला माड़ खाई माड़ खाई बड़ हो भक्त होती भूलिले माड़ खाइब
ଯିଏ କେବଳ ତାର ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସୁଖ ପାଇଁ ବଞ୍ଚେ
हाँ गुड मु कह रागिया पूर्व 10 थर 15 थर 20 थर कहबी पुणी फेल मार माड़ बाज मन था माड़ बिना के कहीं पाठ पढ़ी आज पर्यंत हाँ बाड़ी न बाड़ी पारे कड़ा कड़ा कथा कह हाँ टलरेट कर बस पार क्लास जहाँ कहूँ बारंबार 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 तुम कहूँ हाँ थे कहीदी छाड़ दूनी क्या मुझे जानी तुम ग्राफ्स कर समय लगे से जिनटा ग्राफ्स कर थे ग्राफ्स कर चलो माड़ी चलो से बारंबार कहला यू शुड बी एबल कौन प्रभु कहते हाँ सो कहीं कहूँ सो दैट तुम इजिली सर्कुलेट कर जान ओ श्लोकटा या राइट खाली पढ़ीदे बुझा पड़े राइट एगेन कह
हे प्रिय अर्जुन
ଯିଏ ମୋର କଥା ମାନେନି
ଯିଏ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରେ
देख भगवान कौन कहूँ हे प्रिय अर्जुन जी
ମୋର କଥା
मो कथा क्या कथा भगवान कथा माने भगवान मो कथा जे माने
ଯିଏ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରେ
कथाटा भगवान कथाटा कौन सैक्रिफाइस कर ये सैक्रिफाइस करेनी ओके
ସେ କେବଳ ପାପର
से केवल पापर
ଜୀବନ ବିତାଏ।
जीवन बीताए क्या सैक्रिफाइस करेनी पाप माने कौन से धान आणला समलेश्वर को देलानी कहला मु खाइबी भगवान को दो कि डेमिगॉड को दो सैक्रिफाइस तो कलानी ना कौन ता जीवन
ଯିଏ କେବଳ ତାର ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସୁଖ ପାଇଁ
ता इंद्रिय सुख पाई से बंचिला केवल निजर इंद्रिय सुख कारण डेमिगॉड वर्शिप नहीं कि गॉड वर्शिप नहीं तार अर्थ से गोटे अथॉरिटी अच्छा बोली से स्वीकार करूनी बुझिपार कथाटा जड़े अथॉरिटी अच्छा बोली वैदिक अथॉरिटी स्वीकार करूँ दैट मीन्स इज एथेइस्ट तार जीवन बुझा बुझिपार क्लियर है ना ना ओके ये श्लोकटारे आम आस 17 को हाँ ये 16 गोटे फेज कंप्लीट है नेक्स्ट 17 को भगवान कौन कहते क्या फास्ट वर्ड कौन लगी बट किंतु तमें आउ जिनस अच्छी हाँ तुम्हें भल पिला किंतु अरे कह तुम्हें भल पिला किंतु गोटे किसी अच्छी आगू अच्छी हाँ सेमती कौन एटा भगवान कहीदे तापर कह बट फॉर वन हु टेक्स प्लेजर इन द सेल्फ सी बट फॉर वन हु टेक्स प्लेजर इन द सेल्फ आगुरी आम कौन आलोचना करते सैक्रिफाइस one has to sacrifice to the demigods, to the maybe Vaishnava god or demigods. Sacrifice is a must. Without sacrifice, he leads a sinful life. He leads for his own pleasure, sensual pleasure, and his life is in vain. Okay, but Lord is saying, but for one who takes pleasure in the self, he is not going to demigods. He is not going to demigods. He is taking pleasure in the self. Understand? But for one who takes pleasure in the self, whose human life is one of self-realization. Asila eti kon? Te adhiga jinso asi jauchi kon? One is self-realization. Okay? Lord is speaking about self-realization. Aguru kohuthile se katha? Nahi, sacrifice katha kohuchନ୍ତି. Sacrifice karo, because everything demigods given, authority is there, you worship them, they will give you the desirables, then you will enjoy, then all your desires will be fulfilled. All these things were discussed. Clear? But now Lord is saying, but for one who takes pleasure in self means what? Bolo? Takes pleasure in self. Any understanding? Takes pleasure in self. Bolo. Bolo, kichh aswe nahi. Whatever comes to your mind, bolo. Nija? Okay. ନିଜକୁ ସୁଖ ଦେବାର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? ନିଜକୁ ସୁଖ ଦେବା ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଆମେ ଭଗବତ ଗୀତା ଜ୍ଞାନ ଅନୁସାରେ ନିଜକୁ ସୁଖ ଦେବା, self pleasure. Okay, pleasure in self. All tell them pleasure in self pleasure or pleasure in the self. So he is taking pleasure in the self means ନିଜ ଠାରୁ ସେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ନଉଛି. ନିଜ ଠାରୁ ସେ, you can say he is getting pleasure from his own self. Self means କିଏ? Doubt ହେଲେ କ'ଣ? ମୁଁ ତ ପଚାରେ ତ ଅଟକି ଯାଉଛୁ. No, with doubt. Don't full down. Yes, good. Self means what? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Yeah. If someone says, who are you? Yeah. How you explain it? Please speak on your own words. बोलो जो भी इच्छा है बोलो, whatever you are understanding. I am a living person. I am a living being. How you explain it? Just speak on.
I can work.
Anyone? Okay, you can speak little. Okay, anyone? Think. You are chanting. You are little meditating. Self. Pleasure in self. He is taking pleasure in self. But one who takes pleasure in self.
Means his actions are directed in such a way that he is enjoying.
His actions?
Are directed in such a way that he is
His actions are directed in such a way so that
getting enjoyment.
okay, enjoyment, no doubt. But how he is enjoying that enjoyment? Where from it is coming?
Because he is not disturbed in the three modes of materialism.
You see. अरे तुम्हें तो क्वेश्चन आई एम ए सोल. आई एम ए सोल. आई एम ए आत्मा लिविंग. आई एम ए सेल्फ. माई सेल्फ इज वुड. This is the point. This point you have to understand. This is Bhagavad Gita. This is Bhagavad Gita. Once you understand that I am different, otherwise you can't understand Bhagavad Gita. Try to understand. Bhagavad Gita is not an academic study. Through your scholarship you can understand Bhagavad Gita. No. That is why Vaishnava Dharma speaks about bhakti, chanting the holy name. Chanting is not a, what do you say? It's just not a principle. No, chanting means you have to understand that I am what? I am life. I am life. And why we are not able to understand I am life? Because our mind is full of material contaminations. That is why mind is contamination means lust, greed, kama, krodha. This lust is full. Mind is sampurna bhare lust achi, full of lust and lusty desires. Right? That is why Mahaprabhu said Cheta Darpana Marjanam. First clean your mind. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Why you are chanting that? Why? Why you are chanting Hare Krishna? Is a patient? Or Tukaram Mahaprabhu said Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna. Why Hare Krishna Mahamantra is introduced? Right? Why Mahaprabhu says Mahamantra? Why it is called Mahamantra? Mahaprabhu was only speaking Mahamantra, only chanting Mahamantra. Why? Mahaprabhu, Swayam Bhagavan, never discuss philosophy with anyone unless he is highly educated. Only chanting the holy name in front of general people. Why? Because this Harinam will give you realization that I am not this body, go, Vishtha. Understand? This body means stool. Nothing else. Blood. Are you blood? Are you stool? Are you urine? Go on thinking like that. Yes, my body ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? ଚିପୁନ ଦେଖ ଏଠି ହାଡ଼ ବାହାରିବ. ଆମେ ହାଡ଼, ମୁଁ ନାକ, ମୁଁ ଆଖି, ମୁଁ ମୂତ୍ର, କିତାବ ଧୀରେ ଆସିବ, ମୁଁ ମନ. ଆରେ ମନ ତ କହୁଛି ତାକୁ ଚପଡ଼ା ମାରିବେନି. ମନ ତ କହୁଛି ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି, ମାଇକ୍ରୋଫୋନ୍ ଲାଗିଛି. ମନ କେତେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି? ହଁ କି ନାଇଁ ରେ? ହଁ କି ନାଇଁ? ତାହେଲେ ମନ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ହେଇଗଲି? ନା, ବୁଦ୍ଧି ବି କେମିତି ହେବି? ଚିନ୍ତା କର, ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ବୁଦ୍ଧି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ମନ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ଶରୀର ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ଶରୀର ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ବାସାଂଶୀ ଜନାନି ଯଥା ବିହାୟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି. କେଉଁଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉନି? କେଉଁଟା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ବୋଲ? ହଁ ୟେସ୍ ଗୁଡ୍. କେଉଁଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉନି? ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ? ତୁମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ 8 ବର୍ଷ ଥିଲ, 10 ବର୍ଷ ଥିଲ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଶରୀର ଥିଲା ନାହିଁ ତୋର? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କେତେ ବୟସ ହେଲା ତୋତେ? ନା ଓକେ, 10 ବର୍ଷ ତଳୁ ଚାଲିଲେ ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମ 11th କ୍ଲାସ୍ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ? କି 8ମ କ୍ଲାସ୍ 9ମ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ? ସେ ସମୟଟା ସେତେବେଳେ କେମିତି ଏଇ ଶରୀର ଥିଲା? ଏଇ ଶରୀର ଥିଲା କି? ଏଇ ଶରୀର ଥିଲା? ତୁ ଥିଲୁ ନା ନାହିଁ? ତୁ ଥିଲୁ ତ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଶରୀର ଥିଲା କି? ଏଇ ଶରୀର ନଥିଲା, ଏଇ ଶରୀର ନଥିଲା, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଶରୀର ଥିଲା. That means you had a different body. You had a, am I right or wrong? Tell me. You had a different body. After 5 years, you will have a different body. Even tomorrow, you will have a different body. We don't understand. କାରଣ ଗଛଟେ ଲଗାଉଛୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗଛଟା ବଢ଼ୁ ଦେଖୁଛୁ, ଜାଣିପାରୁଛୁ ଗଛଟା ବଢ଼ୁଛି ବୋଲି? ଚେୟାର ପକେଇ ବସ, ଅନାଅ ତାକୁ, ତଥାପି ଜାଣିପାରିବନି ତୁମେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଗ୍ରୋ କରୁଛି. ସେମିତି ବଡି ଇଜ୍ ଅଲୱେଜ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜିଂ. ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ ବଡିଟା ଅଛି କାଲି ନାହିଁ. ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ? ବଡି ଇଜ୍ ଅଲୱେଜ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜିଂ. This body will, after all, would be old and die, finished. Think that way, meditate. Then who are you? I am life. This is the answer. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି. ତୁମେ ଯଦି ଚାହୁଁଛ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ, ନହେଲେ ମୋର କିଛି ବୁଝିବା କିଛି ଲାଭ ହେବନି. Suppose you are chanting the holy name. First of all, first technique is that while chanting the holy name, first technique, if you want to get success in chanting, that you just forget I am doing BTech, or I am just forget I am anyway connected with anyone. I don't want BTech, I don't want job, nothing I want. I'm just nothing. Understand? First get your mind free from all these burdens. पाठ पढ़ना है, नौकरी करना है, चौकरी करना है, शादी करना है, बच्चा पैदा करना है, पिता माता का सेवा करना है, देश की सर्व सेवा करना है, सबका सेवा करना है, कुछ नहीं. Don't think about it. These are all burdens. Right? They are all burdens. एक ही चीज, one thing always concentrate, why I am, who I am, muke, who am I, where from I came, right? Okay? Who am I? Where from I came? Understand? Is it not a question? Is it not a question? What is your age? 21. So is it not a question that you should ask yourself? 20-21 साल पहले मैं कहाँ था? Is it not a question? Tell me yes or no. 20 साल, only 21 साल, 21 years ago, where I was? This is an elementary question. I am now. After a few years, where I'll be? Then suppose, just meditate. Yes, just meditate. What is your name? Shruti. What is your age? 22. Go back. 20. Remember? Go. 18. Remember? समझते हैं, समझ चिंता करो. Go. Meditate. पूरा completely meditate जाओ. Back चलो. 18. Okay? You are there? 18. 16. You were there? 16 was कौन करतु तो? मने पकड़ी गुट्टे just गुट्टे कहानी कहलो. When I was 16 years old. सेटा तो समझते करते ले. Tell something. When you were 16 years old, tell me something. I'll say 16 years, when I was 16 years, trying to appear in a matric exam, I was playing cricket this afternoon. I can remember when I was 16 years old. Again go little more back. When you were 14 years old. When 12 years old. What you are doing? Tell me. Anything? Just remember something. Huh?
When I was 12 years old, I had done a mistake. So my teacher in the school, he beaten me that.
Yeah, he beaten you, eh? Okay. So, go 18 years, when you were 8 years old. Tell me something, remember? When you were 8 years old. Shruti? Kuch bhi, bolo. 8 years old. Anything remember in your life? Huh? Tell me. Huh? Okay, very good. You was going to a tuition. When you were 8 years old, पढ़ुतला को क्लास रे 3 5 plus 3 8 5 साधारणतः 5 रे 6 रे ना लेखान समझते. सो द्वितीय क्लास का तृतीय क्लास ट्यूशन तुम्हें जाऊला. ओके, गो अगेन 3 years बैक. नाउ यू आर 5 years old. टेल मी, रिमेंबर समथिंग. 5 years old. Anything. 5 years old. Anything you can say, anyone can say. 5 years, when you are 5 years old. Huh? बोलो.
Class 1 में first time में section 8
हाँ. कौन इधर?
Class 1 में वो section वाला वो section type of class में वो सही बोलते और class 1 में वो section 8 था. बाकी तो B C section.
अच्छा, ठीक अच्छे. सपोज मु तुम कहबी मोर गोटे रिमेम्बर तुम कहीं कौन से तुम सब वर्ष कोऑपरेट करिया दरकार. 5 वर्ष पहले किसी मन पड़ू नहीं. व्हेन यू आर 5 years old किसी मन पड़ू. यस प्लीज. हाँ, गुड. अजांग पकेट्रु क्या पकेट्रु पैसा चारणा से चारणा पैसा बहुत मूल्य थिला. चारणा पैसा देकी 8 पैसा देकी बरा टिका खाई दियो समथिंग. सो ओके, वेरी गुड, नाइस. It 5 years old. Then may not now you can remember. Suppose I 3 years old. You can remember? Okay, tell me.
Now I will.
Yes. Manne ochina nai. Don't speak out of joke. Yes. So when you are 3 years old, you were not wearing anything. Most of us. Okay, go again back 1 year. 1 year, then you may not be able to remember now. Your mother will say, but you can't remember. Okay, my point is that now you are now 3 years old. Now not you are 21 years old. Not you, I have already taken. You say, now I am not 21 year or 22 years old. I am a boy of 3 years old. Remember your 3 years old time? Okay, then down to that you may not be able to remember. But again go back. Again go back another 3 years. 3 years back. Then we are coming to from 22 we are now 3 years. I am taking that 3 years again. Now where you are? Bolo, jo bhi aisa bolo. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Very good intention. I was in the womb of my mother. Okay. So next question comes, where from you come? To the womb of your mother? Answer. Your mother didn't bring you and put inside in your womb. No. Where you came? How you came to the womb of your mother? Bolo, very frankly. Don't feel anything.
For the semen of father.
Father semen. Very answer. Very. Give a clap to him. Very good answer. This is called philosophy. This is called Vedic science. This is called spiritual science. You must understand it. So through the father's semen, I entered into the mother's womb. Right? That Shastra says. Exactly Bhagavatam speaks that. You entered into the womb. You entered in the human body, you got human mother, you got a human body. You enter into the body of a snake, you get a snake body. Similar. You enter into the joni of a sea dog, then you get through the semen of a he dog, then you get the body of a dog. So now you got the knowledge. I entered into the body of my mother through the semen of my father. Who entered? Life. Very good. Life. So body was not there. It's only semen. Right? It's only father's semen. Don't think about my father. Don't think my father, my brother. No. Simply think male and female. The spiritual science. You have semen. Sometimes suppose you pass in the night, you discharge. You see, this is only liquid, just like a toothpaste. Something liquid. It's only a bodily secretion, nothing else. Singani Bhaurji. It's only secretion. Right? So, am I that body? Am I that semen?
No.
If you ask yourself, am I that semen? No. But I was inside the semen. That means life was inside the semen. Got the answer? So that means life was inside it. In what way? No one can see. This is beautiful. So then how life came into that semen? That is another. You don't know, I will tell you. From the rain, the living entity falls into the earth. Then earth. Through rain. So vegetables are there. Or grass is there, vegetables, all the trees are there. Then animals eat it. Or you eat vegetables, so many things. So it goes into your body. So it's a very divine science. The soul directly through your body, through the nature, comes to and rests in your semen. Life science is different. You don't say life science this and that. Okay, life science is that. But life science cannot explain how a body, a soul comes into existence in the semen of a person. Life science cannot explain that. Life science can only explain the material body. As life science you are studying in the university, they are only explain about the material body. But the semen carries the life. Understand? That life goes into the body of the mother while intercourse. No intercourse, inject. We inject cows. Some places, dairies, they inject semen through the injection. The cow gets pregnant. So simply the semen the sperm has to reach into the particular atmosphere that is called womb. Or you can say test tube. What is test tube? It's a womb. It's a particular, so womb means, mother's womb means a particular atmosphere. Particular atmosphere where it can, there is another elements, you can say ovum and something, elements, they are waiting for the combination. So that is life science is there. I am not going into that. That's a complex thing. But simply let us understand, that means what I am? Life. How I entered in the mother's womb? Father's semen. Okay. So then when I entered into the mother's womb, then life is there in the semen. I am there. But can you really know yourself? No. But Prahlad Maharaj was able. So I am not Prahlad Maharaj. We are all ordinary souls. So then gradually what happens? Suppose when the mother, you can ask your mother, if mother is so little, not so bigotty, she may answer, okay, when she conceived, she cannot understand. I conceived a child. Only she will lose menstruation. Then she will understand, now I conceived. After 2 months, 3 months, then her womb becomes, she cannot, something is happening. At the age of 7 months, right? Then that combination of ovum and sperm, that takes a particular form. These 9 holes of your body, they gradually develop. 9 holes of the body, they gradually develop. And 10 months, the entire body is manufactured inside womb of the mother. Then it comes out by the internal air. Then you say, dog is giving birth, elephant is giving birth, or so and so. Human beings are giving birth. Right? That you see the body now. You see the body now. But the life is there. Suppose you got a body, suppose Sambit got married, or Shruti got married. Shruti got a beautiful child. Okay, someone, maybe there is nothing wrong. But after 3 hours, your baby died. Your means, I am telling you so that you should get able to answer it. So after 2 hours or 3 hours, or you can say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 10 months, or 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. You love your child, isn't it? Suppose you have a child, you got married, definitely you get married, you have a child, you love your child? Absolutely. Your father does love you, your mother does love you, your mother loves you. Similarly, you love your child. But the child when dies, suppose your 5 months child dies, and what you will do? Shruti, tell me. You will cry, okay? You will cry, bang your head, and your wife will bang her head. You cry, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 50 days. How many days you can cry? Then what will do? Tell me. What will do that body, child? Answer my question. I am giving a practical example. Now you will get married, you have a child. The child after 5 months dies. You love your child so much. Or you can say 5 years old boy, very funny, very beautiful. Papa, daddy, sundar, beautiful. But when he dies, suppose, I pray, you may not face that sequence. If it happens, then what you are doing? What will do with that body? Why? Why you throw it out?
Because life is not there.
Huh?
Because life is not there.
Then you threw it out. You love it so much.
We are loving this.
Yes, that I'm coming. That is the answer I want. You throw it out. You throw out your baby. You buried your baby. Try to understand. Go deep into the what I'm saying. Then what is the essence?
We love this life.
We are in ignorance. We love the body only, just like a monkey is doing. You can see a monkey, monkey is hugging the dead child. Till that child becomes. Huh? This is ignorance only. Pure ignorance. How it looks like. If you say this, they will come, what you are saying? My पप्पू मर जाएगा मेरा पप्पू मर जाएगा. Understand? This is, try to understand. Then you throw him out, buried him, and then after you feel dig, there is a skeleton. Where is your pappu? Understand my point? Try to understand. This is truth of life. So my point is that we are so full of ignorance to love the body. We say love, 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 love. I love my child. No, that is not the way. Bhagavad Gita speaks. No, he's alive. Understand? When you understand a life, when you understand I am alive, then only you can understand my life, my child is alive. When you have Rasgulla, then you see my child, you should take Rasgulla because it is sweet. Unless you understand I am alive, how you give the knowledge to your child that you are alive? Understand? When you understand, you realize that yes, I am life, I am not this body. Similar, the same knowledge you give to your child, that you are life, not this body. Your job is to love Krishna, chant Hare Krishna. From the very beginning, understand? Mother's Om, mother and father, both milke क्या बोलते हैं कानों में? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. From the very childhood, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. You see? Let him chant. Let him chant because he's alive. That is his job. That is his goal. That is the duty of father and mother. Not that you become B.Tech, M.Tech and say, whatever you say. Tech. No. This is only paid post, nahi those. Only peto posya pai dhanda, ao kich nahi. Jette sanstha hochi peto posya pai dhanda. They are all full of ignorance. So that is why Prabhupada said, this is all technique, Sudra Kama. Then first you understand, I am a life. So that you understand, oh, when you chant this holy name, what I said, when you chant this holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Two things you have to do. I told you. Tell me, first what? Yes, very good. Yes, Siddharth Chimma Kathata, can't coach. Yes, give it a yes. Forget everything. जो मिलना है मिलेगा. I'm giving 100% guarantee. Samit, देखो, Krishna Kathapur was giving guarantee. जो मिलना है मिलेगा. जो मिलना है मिलेगा. Understand? You cannot escape it. नाकरे सौंदर्य लगे गोसाड़ी नहीं से चाकरी तो दबो. गोसाड़ी नहीं की ना. जबरदस्त तोते पर चाकरी दबो से. चाकरी करिवार नहीं मिलिवार नहीं जितने चेष्टा कले भी हवानी. बुझ पारुछ ना? हाँ. चले worried हवार नहीं. Don't be worried about it. Understand? Don't be worried about कौन हेबी कौन नहीं कौन खाइबी कौन वंचबी. किचु just chant the holy name. That means what? Just forget. Oh Lord, you just give me whatever you like. I am yours. You made me you may bring me, kill me, or you may save me. Right? You may put me in the road, or you may put me in the high office. It's up to you. It's up to you. My job is to chant the holy name. And my job is to surrender to you. My job is to remember you. My job is to I am alive. Because that is truth. I gave you the example through that. When you become married, when your child will be there, suppose your child, then you can remember, I have to now take it out and bury it out. Throw out the Hindus don't throw out, they burned out. So what is life? What is love? Understand? So love means life. Okay? Clear? Understand? Okay, this I am means what? I am life. So this, when chanting the holy name, first job is that you make free your mind. Then your chanting will be very beautiful. Second thing, what do you have to do?
Who am I, where I can?
Yes. Think, meditate. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Think, who am I? Who am I? Where from I come? Where from? Who am I? Life. Life. Was I in the father's semen? Yes, I was. But how I came into the mother's womb? Then question comes, how I came to the father's semen? Semen, I am not the semen. Am I? Am I? Answer is, am I? Semen? Father's semen? No. Semen is just liquid, some liquid. I am a person, I have a thought process, I have intelligence. Right? I am a person completely. I can smile, I can feel, I can run, I can do, I can take decisions. I am a personality. Isn't it? So semen is just liquid. Right? But life was there. Then you can realize, yes, I am not. I am not, as because I am not this body. This body means semen. Body is framed out of the combination of sperm and ovum. Ovum, whatever you say, body is formed. But who am I? I am life. Then only you understand, I am life, Krishna is supreme life. And part and parcel of Krishna. The life, জীবের স্বরূপ হয়, বুঝতে পারছো না? কইবাটা কেটে সহজ, কিন্তু চিন্তা করে বলছি। হ্যাঁ, জীবের স্বরূপ হয়, জীব মানে জীবাত্মা। জীবের স্বরূপ হয় কৃষ্ণে নিত্য দাস। That means I am life means I am life. Krishna is life. I am part and parcel of Krishna. Then in 7th chapter will come, this body is external energy and soul is internal energy of Krishna. Of Krishna. Of Krishna. Body belongs to Krishna. Soul belongs to Krishna. Then who are you? Body belongs to Krishna. Huh? Yes. I belong to Krishna. So this way. But for one who takes pleasure in the self, understand the no self? Okay? I took you down? Self. So, but for one who takes pleasure in the self, he is already 20 years old, or 50 years old, or 40 years old, but he has come deep into the understanding that I am the self is life. Body is changing. Body is changing. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, body is changing. But I am that self. Right? Yes. Whose human life is one of self-realization. ଯେ ଏହିପରି ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ଲିମ୍ସ ଦେଲି ତୁମକୁ, ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ଅଧିକ ରିଏଲାଇଜ୍ କରିବ, ଅଧିକ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆଣିବ, ଅଧିକ ତୁମର ସାଧନା ବଳରେ ତୁମେ ଅଧିକ ବୁଝିବ, ତାପରେ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିବ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ରିଏଲାଇଜ୍। ଏଇ ଶ୍ଲୋକଟା ସେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟ୍ରାଏ ଟୁ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ, but gradually you will understand that. But for one who takes pleasure in the self, whose human life is one of self-realization, and who is satisfied in the self only. What I explained it, it is only what? Literal. Just what a understanding. But practical realization comes when you chant the holy name, purify your consciousness. Then gradually you understand, yes, I am a life, I am a soul, I am a life. Life means I have three things. What? Yes. Willing, feeling, desiring. Life means three. Life hochi mane तीन टाइम्स रहबा कोन willing, feeling, desiring. And three lorga mane, what do you say that life? Life has three things. You are all intelligent boys. I am putting it. That is all equations. That is why I am throwing out to you. Life has three things. When life is there, willing, feeling, desiring. Means what? Huh? Who can say? Yes, no? Again I am saying, life is there. He has three things. Willing, feeling, desiring. Because life nahi to willing, feeling, desiring nahi. Kon yaar willing, feeling, desiring achi. But pimputta, willing, feeling, desiring. Right? Tinna jinsu achi. That means what? Yes? No. Again I am telling you. Try to understand. Life is there. It has symbol is three. Willing, feeling, desiring. Means what? Well, ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ତ ଭଲ ଚିନ୍ତା କର ତୁମକୁ ପିଲା କହିଛି ଭଗବତ ଗୀତା ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ତୁମକୁ ଲିଟରାଲି ମୁଁ ଗଡ଼ ଚାଲିଯିବି କୁଆଡ଼େ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଯିବି କିଛି ବଡ଼ କଥା ନୁହେଁ ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ମଷ୍ଟ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ସୋ ଲାଇଫ୍ର ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଅନଲେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପର୍ସନ୍ willing, feeling, desire means the life is a person. Okay? Person means entity. Living entity. Supreme Court is an entity. Because Supreme Court is a person. State is a person. India is a person. Country is a person. It's called entity. Entity means that person or state of Odisha can file a case against somebody. You go to the court of law, Odisha government can file a case against you. Or you can file a case against government of Odisha because the entity. It's a body. It is a willing, feeling, desiring body. Try to understand. Similarly, you are living. Prabhupada is not writing simply living. No, living entity. Living entity means he is a person. That is why he has three attributes. He can will, इच्छा करियो. अरे person नाले इच्छा करियो केमती. Understand? इच्छा करुची माने कौन? He is a person. This is Vedic science. इच्छा करुची. Willing, feeling, desire. Understand? Yes. That is why you should understand. A slokare associate the self. One who understands the self. One who understands the self. One who is self-realized and who is satisfied in the self. It's a very high science. Right? It's a very high science. Bhagavad Gita Mulu kaichi, very high science. Then another word, fully satisfied. For him, there is no duty. ता पाई वर्णाश्रम सिस्टम रे किछि काम नाही कारण से तो संपूर्ण सेल्फ सैटिस्फाइड. That means in other words he is Krishna conscious. Understand? So वर्णाश्रम सिस्टम कोन हला वर्तमान हां पछुको चली गला. थर्ड चैप्टर जाउछ माने वर्णाश्रम सिस्टम पछुको धीरे धीरे जाए आगु तो भगवान धीरे धीरे कोडे पहुंचे तुमको भक्ति योग रे पहुंचे. ओके वर्णाश्रम सिस्टम इज मोर और लेस action to the demigods, yajnas to the demigods. Okay, we should end here. Tight he huge mind nahi. This is Bhagavad Gita. This is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, once you understand, your life will be what? Sambit. Huh? You'll always, जो तू पान दुकानी रहता, रिक्शा वाले रहता, ऑटो लगेता कि IAS ऑफिसर रहता, जाता, सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन नहीं माने जीरो, कंप्लीट जीरो. मैं कहली से तुम्हें जहाँ तो बगैर थाओ, whatever you may have, ultimately your life is will come to an understand. ये जो सेल्फ जिनसे जानी हो तुम्हें, I am self, then here really you live a life. Really you become a human being. Really you are what? Educated. That is called Vedic education. Understand? Yes. And that is very easily understandable by chanting the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Two things you have to do while chanting. One, truly don't give just right answer from your ear. Forget everything. No, from the core of your heart, I should forget everything while chanting. Right? 16 rounds. How many of you chanting 16 rounds? 2? Okay, chant nicely. Hungry? ବିରକ୍ତ ଲାଗୁଛି? ବିରକ୍ତ ଲାଗିବ? ଲାଗିବ? ଅପରେସନ୍ କଲାବେଳେ ପିଲା କ'ଣ ଖୁସି କରନ୍ତୁ ଗୀତା ପଢ଼ିଲା ବେଳେ ସେମିତି ଲାଗିବ, ସବୁ ପିତା ପିତା ଲାଗିବ. ରୁଚୁ ନ ରୁଚୁ ଖା ପିତା, ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ବୁଝୁ ନ ବୁଝୁ ପଢ଼ ଗୀତା. ସେ ମନା କଲା ବୁଝିଲ, କହୁଛି ନା ପଢ଼ ବୁଝ, ବୁଝୁ ନ ବୁଝୁ ପଢ଼, ତା କଟା ହେବ. ମୁଁ ଡେଲି ପଢ଼ି 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1 2, 1 ସେ ପଢ଼ି ସକାଳୁ ଉଠିଲେ ପୁଣି ପଢ଼ୁଛୁ କି ନା? 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1, ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପଢ଼ିଲା ବେଳକୁ 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1 କେତେ? କାହିଁକିନା ମନଟା ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରି ତା ଦେହରେ. ସେ 12 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ 365 ବର୍ଷ ଘୋଷି ହେଉଛି 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1 2. ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଦେଖାଯାଇଛି ସେଇ ପଡ଼ୁଛି 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1 କେତେ? ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ମୋ ପଏଣ୍ଟଟା? 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1 ତୁ ଜାଣିଛୁ ସାରା ଦିନ ଘୋଷି ହେଉଥିଲୁ, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛୁ ନା? ସାରା ବର୍ଷ ଘୋଷି ହେଉଛୁ 1 = 1, 1 ଯୁକ୍ତ 1 = 2. ଜାଣିଲୁନି କାହିଁ? ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍? ବୁଝିନି ସେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡଟା ତା ଦେହରେ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରେନି. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା କ'ଣ କି ତୁମକୁ କଷ୍ଟ ହେଉ ପଛେ 6ଠ ଅଧ୍ୟାୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କଷ୍ଟ ହେବ. ଭଗବତ ଗୀତାକୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଥମେ କଷ୍ଟ ହେବ. ୱାନ୍ସ ୟୁ ଥରେ ବୁଝିଦେଲ, ଧରିଦେଲ, ତାପରେ ତୁମେ ତ ଗୋଟେ ମାଷ୍ଟର ହେଇଯିବ. ୟେସ୍, ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ବିକମ୍ ୱାନ୍ ମାଷ୍ଟର. ତାପରେ ତୁମେ ନିଜେ ପଢ଼ି ଚାଲିବ, ନିଜେ ବୁଝି ଚାଲିବ, ନିଜେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ବିଲ୍ଡଅପ୍ ହେଇ ଚାଲିବ, ତୁମେ ନିଜେ ଲେକ୍ଚର ଟିଚିଂ କରିବ. ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ? ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ହେବ, ସନ୍ଦେହ ନାହିଁ. ତେଣୁକରି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ବି ଆଜି ଭଗବତ ଗୀତା ଭାଗବତ ଲେକ୍ଚର ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପେଟରୁ ପଡ଼ିକି ଆସିଥିଲେ, ଏଇଠି ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି. ପୂର୍ବ ଯେଉଁ ସଂସ୍କାର ଅଛି ନୋ ଡାଉଟ୍, ତୁମର ବି ସଂସ୍କାର ଅଛି ବୋଲି ବସିଛ ନା? ସଂସ୍କାର ଅଛି ତ ବସିଛ ନା? କିଏ ବସିଥା ନାହିଁ, ଚାଲ ବାହାରେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବା. କ'ଣ କ୍ରିକେଟ୍ ଚାଲୁଛି, କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କେତେ ସ୍କୋର ହେଲା, କ'ଣ ହେଲା, କିଏ କ'ଣ ଆଉ କ'ଣ, ନାଇଁ କି ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍. କିନ୍ତୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଖେଳ, ଏନ୍ଜୟ କର, ସବୁ କର, ମଜା ନାହିଁ, ଖେଳିବାର ମଜା ନାହିଁ. ଏନ୍ଜୟ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଚେତନା କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ମନା ନାହିଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଚେତନାକୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିକି କର. ଓକେ, ତାହେଲେ ଲାଇଫ୍ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଠିଆ ହେବ. ରାଇଟ୍? ଏମ୍ଟେକ୍ ହେଲେ ବି ମୋର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଦେଖ, ମୋର ପିଲା ଦେଖିଛି ଏମ୍ଟେକ୍ ହେଇକି ବିଟେକ୍ ବଢ଼ିଆ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ପୁରା ଇଏ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତା'ର ଗୋଟେ ହାବିଟ୍ ଥିଲା ସ୍ମୋକିଂ ହାବିଟ୍. ସବୁବେଳେ ସ୍ମୋକିଂ କରିବ. ସବୁବେଳେ 10ଟା ସିଗାରେଟ୍ ପ୍ୟାକେଟ୍ ଥୁଆ ହେଇଥିବ, ଗୋଟେ ସରିଗଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସରିଗଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସରିଗଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ. ସକାଳକୁ ଏତେ ତା'ର मुंडी पछोड़ एते पकेट एतिकी नहीं से फोपाड़ ये जो पछोड़ा न था एतिकी नहीं से फोड़ डस्टबिन हाँ हाँ हेटू किस दिन पर कौन है हेटू टीवी टीवी मरीगला यंग टोकाटा देखी यंग मत मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ुला छोट बेले वेरी ब्रेनी पिला तो छोट बेले मुझे 5-10 वर्ष थी कौन मरीगला गोटे तार कर्मटा केमी देख तो स्मोकिंग रे आडिक्ट करदेला जदि कृष्ण चेतना को आसता नो इंटॉक्सिकेशन बाबा नहीं से मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ी था पाठ पढ़ी था बड़ होता के सुंदर ब्रेन भगवान तक देते मनीष जन्म देते ब्रेन देते हाँ नहीं एमती सेमती केते ड्रग रे पड़ी जाउछंदी केते रेप कर दउछंदी यंग टोका सब पाठ पढ़ी ये पढ़ी सब विभिन्न प्रकार मेसेज आसो हाँ एमती पाठ पढ़ी रेप कराला धरला जेल गला तो निज इंद्रिय संयम नथिबो या मन संयम नथिबो ताले ये कहे गुण थाउ हजार चरित्र नथिले गुण सुंदर गीत गाउची हवानी एटा सब गुण चरित्र होची कोटा कृष्ण चेतना आसले बड़े बड़े तुम्हार जो खराब गुण गुण अच्छे से चल बड़े बड़े चल तुम्हारा इच्छा हम टाड़ू चल निजे निजे तुम रिपेन कर निजे निजे बिल्डअप हम निजे निजे स्ट्रंग हम बड़ शक्ति आसीज बल आसीज राइट बाहर एनर्जी दरकार ना बाहर बल दरकार ना से भीतर भीतर एनर्जी क्रिएट हो भगवान का नाम भजन कर तेणु कृष्ण कहुए भक्ति योग हूँ सर्वश्रेष्ठ योग पद्धति ओके सो थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू टू हैव पेशेंस टू हियर वेरी अटेंटिवली so this way read study in these 7 months 7 days another 6 days you study that slokas 1 2 3 4 5 17 18 19 20 padha but you try to understand whatever you understand it's okay but put your brain into it then I'll explain you will find it easier so तुम एकेडमिक स्टडी सत्वे सत्वे आपको भगवद गीता को प्रतिदिन गोटे घंटा दियो राइट चैंटिंग में भी नॉट 16 राउंड न हो 6 माला कर 8 माला कर ज्योति कर भल कर बस भल 3 माला धर 3 माला कर बेस 3 माला हो 3 माला हो तो आराम बसिकी पूरा मनोजन कहले 2टा प्रिंसिपल मैं सब बाहर कर देगी जप कर राइट भगवान के ऊपर पूरा निर्भर करके 3 माला भी भगवान ग्रहण करेंगे कृष्ण दयामय से निश्चय से तुम उन्नति ओके 16 माला करने बाध्य नुह दीक्षित से रही कर जी कर भल लगे जमी मुझे गोटे छोट उदाहरण देवी गोटे थाली एडे बड़े थाली एत अन्न देवी हाँ सब अध दरा सीझा चाउल सीझी न हाँ केम खाइब खाद्य देती ना खाइदेव कि ना खाइदेव गोटे छोट थाली अधा देती भेरी पैलेट दे आराम से खाइदेव हाँ कि पेट अपस रही पारे कि टेस्ट कलु एंजॉय कलु किछिटा एंजॉय कलु जो पूरा एडे बड़े थाली देती कारण पैलेटेबल नुहे ग्रहण कर राइट से अल्प हो पछे ग्रहण कर पैलेटेबल हो 2 माला ठीक है 2 माला करी भी भल लगे से समय आउ किसी कथा ना से समय कौन सी कथा तो फोन आसो योर मदर इज डेड ओके लेट मी चैंट 2 राउंड्स देन आई विल कंसीडर योर मदर इज डेड हाँ संबित योर वाइफ इज गन हाँ मदर ना कहनी काले बाधी ताकू हाँ हाँ सपोज फोन आसला योर वाइफ इज डेड ओके लेट मी चैंट माय राउंड्स देन आई विल गो एंड सी बिकॉज शी हैज डायमंड शी हैज डाई वन तो माइले मुझे कौन करी तार मरी जाता मला मुझे कौन करी हाँ जी टे मुझे कांदी आई ना हाँ कांदी दे पोड़ापोड़ी कर दे आस पुणी चप कर हाँ कि नहीं यस मदर ना कहली कल बाधी था मदर बात तो है वाइफ कहली बाधी था तेरी तू वाइफ ना कहली एनिवे मो कहता कण कि सब बेले यहीपरि रो जप करियो माने मो कहता कण कि 2 माळ जप करूछ 2 माळ जप से समय जी तुम जहाँ कहो किछि सुनिबान जेपरि न्यूज आसो जे तू फेल परीक्षा फेल हो हाँ ठीक है ला 2 माळ जप सरू चिंता करी कांदी कि हसबी मरी चिंता करी 2 माळ जप सरू कारण से सक्सेस रही मन तो से सक्सेस भगवान देखिए देख से जहाँ से मो माँ नाटा जप कर तो जाइए भगवान तो कौटी सक्सेस देवे एटी फेल मारे आउ जगह सक्सेस देवे एटी फेल मारिकी भगवान कौन कर फेल मारे सक्सेस करेंगे आउ गोटे जगह से जानी कौटी सक्सेस हम बुझिपार मो कथाटा जेहेतु 2 नाम भगवान का नाम करुच जेहेतु हरि नाम करुच जेहेतु हरे कृष्ण महान जप कर जेहेतु हरि नाम कर हरि तुम दायित्व कौन नहीं नेबे बी श्योर दिस इज कॉल्ड हरि नाम नो पेसिमिज्म भय करवा नहीं नो नेगेटिविज्म ऑल पॉजिटिव देखिए लाइफ जो बढ़ भगवान देखिए अरे सेठी सक्सेस देले भगवान मत बिल्ड करते यहीटा देवाई बुझे कथा से कौन हबु तू भगवान जान तो बापा जानना तो बापा बो माई भाण भाव कई जानना तू कौन टा हबु जीवन में भगवान जान आम डिपेंड कर मोर यहाँ हूँ व्यक्तिगत अनुभूति तुम कथा कहूँ एटा मुझे मुझे जान नी तुम्हें एबेठू जानी शिखी जानी से एक्सपीरियंस मो ठार नियो जे जीवन में कौन हेबी कौन ना से भगवान ठीक करेंगे मत मो कर्तव्य करार अच्छी मत पढ़िया कही पढ़ी बस सिनसीयरली पाठ पढ़ी एवं स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ मुझे जी कंडक्ट करा करी दिन को 2 माळ जप करा मुझे तुकाराम प्रभु को कही 2 माळ जप करी 16 माळ जप भल लगुनि कि हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण से हाँ कि ना तुकाराम प्रभु बाध्य कर समस्त 16 माळ जप बाध्य कर ना कहीं कर जानी he knows very well it's not so easy if you can do it better but my question is that do it whatever you fix yourself according to your convenience 2 rounds 3 rounds 4 rounds whatever you do a fix up this is my time I can give this much okay do it but nicely this is my request okay जय श्री गुरु महाराज की प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की समेत गौर भक्त गौर हरे कृष्ण जय श्री गुरु महाराज की एनी क्वेश्चन कर अच्छी ना सच करिए